Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the degree symbol like 40 degree, 30 degree like that on your Google Glass mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the degree symbol like 32 degree, 40 degree in your Google Glass mobile, I just going to show in this video. So I just opening this document and just going to show how to make this. If you click on this plus symbol, you can't find the option of insert symbol, so use your keyboard. So I'm just using Google keyboard or Gboard. You can also use that. Now you just need to make 32 degree. Okay, so let's click on this number option, then you just click on this another equal option here. You will see this option. So this is how you just 52 degree like that. You just want to use this option and just make this is how you just insert the degree symbol on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and we will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.